this. This is actually really messy one. I tried it 4-5 times, but it's still so messy. I'm going to leave it like that way. I'm going to start this video right now, right here. So hey homie, welcome back to my channel Born Videos, and this video is going to be makeup, and after a long time it's going to be makeup video. So I'm quite excited. Are you? So if you're interested and if you're excited about this, don't do that. So if you are excited just like me, then please just keep on watching this video till the end. And yeah, without wasting our time, let's get to the video. I really don't know what look I'm going to do today. I just know that I'm going to use this palette. This is the new launch palette from Cuffs and Lashes, and it's totally Indian brand. I have recently uploaded a review video. If you haven't watched it, then please have a look on that video. Also there I have created dripping effect, and in very easy steps you can just create that look. So okay, let's not talk about that. Let's just give me time. What okay, let's create some nude look. It's been so long time that I haven't created any nude makeup look, and now just the clothes are like nude, and let's create nude makeup look. So I have just highlighted my face. I have applied the lipstick, and I haven't done contouring. So I'm going to try out this shade right here. Its name is Influential. I'm going to try to contour my face using this shade, and let's start with contouring first. Let's do it. So I'm going to use this brush. It's slanted. I'm going to use that. Can you see that? These colors are really very pigmented. I just love this palette. You can create nude look, you can create colorful looks. Actually, there's so many colorful looks you can create using this palette. It's so affordable. Like we don't have ColourPop. We have ColourPop eyeshadow palettes, but it's not an Indian brand, and they are not affordable. And this palette is so affordable, and I just love this palette. I hope you can see this color. It's amazing, just amazing. And I'm just blending that, and just going ahead on the top of my head. I'm going to blend. Can you see that? Okay, so now you can see this contouring has just, what you can see, it has just enhanced my features. And now I'm going to use this shade right here. It's this orangey shade, and its name is Boss Babe. So I'm going to take it. I want some natural blush on my face, so I'm going to dab it on my hand just like that, and I'm going to place that on this side. I'm not going to apply it on this area. I'm just going to apply it right here, and look at that lift. It's amazing. I love it. So you can create very natural lift using this. Moving on to the actual eye makeup, and I'm going to start off with this warm, it's a color's name, warm eyeshadow from this palette. I'm going to create my crease. I'm going to dab this color onto my crease. Just like that. Even if you can't see this, the color is right there. Just don't worry, trust the process. on to another shade which is influential, the shade we used for contouring. I'm going to place that outer V of eye, just like this. And I'm going to take the warm shade from this palette. We have used it earlier, and I'm going to take it on any fluffy brush, and I'm going to blend that. I'm just diffusing that darker shade influential and mixing those two shades, warm and influential, into my crease. Can you see this? You must got it what I'm going to create. So I have created a very soft outline. Look at it, a very soft outline. You can see I have created a very soft line, and that means I have to place the colors after this in this area only. So this is this is the limit of my, what you can say, boundary, not the limit, we can say boundary. And in this area I have to fill other colors. So we are going to do that. Taking Loud from this palette, removing excess, I'm going to placing that I'm going to place that color in the outer 1/3 area, like that. You can see. Then again I'm taking the fluffier brush we have used it earlier. I'm going to diffuse this, just do a circular motion to diffuse the color. The second round I'm going to place that color again in the same place. I'm just building that color in my outer 3rd area of eye. So this is the process you have to build the color. If you feel that your color is not looking nice or it's not popping up on your eye, you have to just go with the process, 1 layer, 2 layer, just place the color and then diffuse the color. So I'm just placing it right now and using fluffier brush, I'm diffusing that, just like that. Okay, now I can see that I hope you also can see that this is looking very nice. It's blending very nice. I have created that shape in the Boss Babe and Shy color mixture, and I'm going to place that on my eyelid, just like that. Just remember you have to apply it on the lid and below this line you have just created before. I'm going to diffuse that. Can you see that? It's actually looking a very cat eye type look, and this is very like nude cat eye type. And if you're feeling that you are going this side and you have a beauty blender, just take it and make it correct. If you feel that you have a excess color on this side, then you can use concealer to hide that, or making this line very sharp. But I don't want to use concealer right now. I'm just tapping the beauty blender to just remove the excess, so that this sponge will automatically absorb all the excess into it. Taking loud color, and I'm going to look up and I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line. I'm just barely touching the this brush tip, and I'm just applying it just like that. So let me just show you close-up look. I have done the second eye also on off camera, and look how pretty this has diffused orange shade, and it's looking like smoke out orange look, and it's looking very pretty. I can see that. I hope you can see. Okay, but I don't think so it's yet completed. I think something is missing, and I wanted to make it look better. So how can we do that? Okay, so I'm going to apply some shimmer. Okay, let's do shimmer. This color, shimmery color, Nasty, from this palette, and I'm just going to apply it in this area only. Wow. It's very pretty. So if you're going in this direction, then just don't go. I know that I'm going in this direction more, but yeah, we can fix that. But let's just first apply shimmer. Oh my god, look at it, how pretty it's looking. Now I'm just clearing that mess I have created under my eye. Just pressing compact powder or any light shade from the palette you can use. And tada! So let me just show you close-up look. First of all, see, this is how it looks now. Okay, so now I'm taking the color black, which is Freak from this palette, and I'm placing that color. Yep. Just like that. So I have applied this Freak color on the outer third part of my eye, just to make it look, my eyes are elongated in this direction. I hope you can see that. It's like looking like more elongated in this direction. And yeah, so I don't feel like applying eyeliner on my eye today, so I'm going to coat my lashes using mascara. This is the Lakme curling mascara, and I'm just going to coat my outer eyelashes. So I have coated my eyelashes in this direction only, just like this. So that my eye will look more elongated in this direction only. I hope you can see that I have just applied mascara in this direction, so that my eyes will look more elongated in this direction. this is the whole eye makeup look, and yeah, I don't feel like this jewelry, this outfit is going with this eye makeup look, so I'm going to change this all, and I'm just going to quickly come after that to end this video. So just this whole look turned out like desi and monochromatic orangey look, and it's looking very awesome. I just loving it. This is how I do my messy bun, which is almost all the time really messy. It's just like this. It's really messy bun. Okay, so I hope you can see. It's really very messy. Okay, so this is my very final look, means outfit and the jewelry and everything, hairstyle and all, etc, etc. So it was supposed to be nude makeup look, but it turned out a very monochromatic, orangey, smoke out, amazing look. I just loving this. Just loving it. I'm totally loving this look. I don't know what to call it. Please guys help me in the comment section what we can call this look, and I don't know, but it's looking very pretty. It's turned out very desi and glamorous and Indian festive kind of look. So if you like it, then just give it a thumbs up, and I hope this tutorial is very helpful for you guys. If you feel that way, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel Born Hummy Tales, and you know guys, already sharing is caring, so please share with your friends and family. Okay, so that's it for the today. If you feel this tutorial is quite helpful for you, then please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you thought about this look, and if you tried it to recreate, then just don't forget to tag me on Instagram. My Insta ID is @_Born Hummy. I'll mention link in the description bar. And what else? If you feel that this video is quite helpful for you guys, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel to watch some more videos like this. And yeah, bye bye guys, love you already. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.